was issued today, July 6, 2026, warrants of arrest and hold departure order in criminal case E-SV-26-CRN-0018 for plunder against Senator Rodante Dizon Marcoleta, Michael Tan Defensor, Joseph Varias Espiritu, and Aristotel Baluyot Veray. The issuance of the warrant of arrest signifies only that after evaluating the records, the court found probable cause to believe that the accused committed the offense charged. Probable cause for the issuance of a warrant of arrest exists when the facts and circumstances would lead a reasonably discreet and prudent person to believe that an offense has been committed by the person sought to be arrested. Let me stress, yung warrant of arrest does not constitute a determination of guilt. Hindi pa guilty yan. All the accused continue to enjoy the constitutional presumption of innocence until their guilt is proven beyond reasonable doubt. Again, the court's proceedings are governed solely by the Constitution, the applicable laws, and the evidence properly presented before it. The court would want to remind the counsel who have appeared for the accused, and even Senator Rodante Marcoleta, who himself is a lawyer, that as officers of the court, they are duty-bound, together with the prosecutors, to uphold the integrity and administration of justice, to ensure compliance with lawful orders of the court, to conduct themselves and all persons acting under their direction with fairness, order, dignity, and full respect for the rule of law and the courts. Full respect for the rule of law and the courts is non-negotiable. The court enjoins all parties to cooperate to ensure that the proceedings are conducted speedily, fairly, orderly, and with full respect for the rule of law. Thank you very much for your time.
May warrant na po, may warrant.
The warrant has been issued already.
Issued. Okay. Last tayo.
Sir John Vic, ano pong reason ng pagpunta nyo? Sir? Sec? Chief, paano mangyayari? Dito rin ang ano nila, ang booking procedures dito na.
We'll talk with the investigator.
Okay.
Yung ating motion to motion to sa bagal ito. Ngayon, napakagandang implikasyon yun ng biran ng ating mga panahon. So, gusto ko magpasalamat ginalin sa amin. Yun ay namin yung sabihin na pinakailangan ng proseso kasunod. So, sabi ng salikabayan, meron na silang determination. Igalan natin yun. Kaya meron naman kami motion to cause, pinagpipil naman yun. Na alam ko naman yun, bibigyan daan pa rin. Ibig sabihin, ikuproseso pa rin na aming motion. At siyempre kami naman, meron kami ibang pananaw doon sa asuntong pinagsabi. Ang aking mga abogado ay gumawa rin ng paraan para sa gano'n, i-counter naman yung asunto. Yun ang ibig sabihin. yan ay magbibigay tayo ng sandigan bayan. Kaya lang kailangan tumaan sa proseso nauna
Jimmy Samet. Coba na consider ang sabi.
kaya
Jimmy.
Senator Dugan, why you surrender?
Did you surrender? You were arrested, Senator?
Sen, you surrender? Stop arrested.
Ay, 5 baba, 5.
ang pagpunta ko rito yan sa mga proseso
5.
kaya yan ang sinabi ko sa iyo mga tatago naharapin ko ng mataas so nalayo sa panay kaya kailangan po gumawa ng proseso kasama na po yung pagpunta ko rito yung hangarin Mr. po nila yung
Senator, ano po message ninyo to your fellow INC?
nararamdaman ninyo
Jimmy Samet.
Send message to the INC.
Message to your fellow INC, Senator.